Today I'm going to be planting bulbs.
Okay, what bulbs are you planting today?
Today I'm planting hyacinths. I'm also planting crocus and allium.
Well done. Well done. And before you continue to put any more compost in, remember that the hyacinths are so big, so you let them go down. Plant the hyacinth first before you continue with the other ones. Yeah. So take the hyacinth and plant them first. See how big they are? Yes. Yeah, that's good. So how do you know they go in that way?
They go in this way because here, this looks like the top. So this is the bottom.
Well done. Well done. So the bottom goes down. Well done.
And then I keep adding. So
And then wait, I'll put the next one. Plant the second one as well. No, the other hyacinth. Put that one in as well.
Here.
Yes, well done. And space them. Make sure you space them.
Oh, 10. We need to space them by
It says on here, isn't it?
10.
10 centimeters or 4 inches. That's it. Well done.
So
But don't let it go too close to the edge. Let it, yeah.
So like
There,
that.
yes, well done.
And
And
this
the next
one
one there,
there.
beautiful. Well
Now I
done.
need to continue adding soil.
So, well done. What is that
soil.
called? Compost, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's called compost.
Compost onto it.
Yeah, keep adding the compost, cover it completely.
Cover this one.
Keep, that's it.
Cover this part.
Put more in.
And
Nice
I'm
level.
done.
Keep a few more. A few more and level it. Level it. You can use, yes.
And here.
So you can level that side a little bit. That's good. And then now, plant the others that you wanted to plant.
So I'm going to plant now. Now I'm going to plant crocus.
Well done.
Should I plant it here?
So plant them on top here so that they all come out beautiful and nice. So plant them on top here.
So
Yeah. Yeah. So when you're planting with children, the most important thing is to be very patient with them. Sometimes they take a bit of time to go about it, but that's fine. The whole idea is to get them interested in what they're doing. It might not be the best, but in the end, they would have learned something. Personally, that is how I started gardening, like for my parents. So patience is very key with children when we are teaching them to garden. Okay, so make sure you plant them the right side up, yeah?
here.
Yeah, it's just like you did with the hyacinth. Yeah, well done. Don't need to plant all of them. We can mix. Yeah, that's it.
Now I'm gonna plant the onion.
Well done. Plant a few of them, yeah? Yeah, turn it upside down so they all come out. That's good. Did you want me to help you with that? Yeah. Split it. Split a bag. You can split a bag.
I'll do it this way. Easy one.
And as a way of encouragement, it's also good to get them some nice, yeah, children some nice, I've got this nice and fancy coats here.
Is this enough?
It is perfectly fine. That should be more than enough.
So, I'm gonna have these.
Yeah. The space, it says 10 centimeters. It says 10 centimeters in between each of them, or 4 inches. So it's difficult. You can't possibly know exactly 4 inches. However, you can just make sure you've got spaces in between them, isn't it? Well done. That's it. That's it.
That one's too close.
Yeah, well done for knowing that was too close. Well done. Okay, now you can cover them with more compost. That's it. That's it. Well done. Well done. Now, what do?
I need to water it.
You need to what?
Water it.
Well done. That's good. Not too much. Not too much though. That's it. That's fine. That's perfectly fine. That's it. And one more thing that you need to do. One more thing that you need to do.
So I need to get this and write the name on it.
That's perfect. So what you want to write now is to write bulbs. So that's the only bulbs you are planting. So just write bulbs on there so you don't forget. Well done. And then you write a date. So just write the month. So it's October. If you write October there.
I do have enough space.
That should be fine. Isn't it? And you stick it in there.
Should I put it-
In the corner, in the side, yes, I mean, yes, well done. And when will they be ready?
They'll be ready either February or June.
Well done, well done. You've done such a good work today. Well done. What do you want to say to the young people gardening around the world? What would you like to say to them?
They should try gardening because it's very fun. And if you garden, you'll know more about it. And if you want to make your garden look nice, you can start gardening.
Well done. And what would we like to say to our viewers? They should subscribe, isn't it? And like the channel. Well done. Thanks for watching.